Okay, so while you're getting settled back in here, guys, just a couple of things about the rest of it. We did all the pre-lab stuff, obviously, yesterday, okay? But in terms of the analysis, okay, all you have to do is fill in this chart, all right? And so in this chart, what you're going to do is tell me, was A ionic or molecular? That's based on basically just its conductivity. Okay, if it was highly conductive in solution, then it's ionic. If it wasn't, then it's molecular. Okay, and then your compound identity. So did you think A was water or sodium chloride or whatever? Okay, based on your observations. That's all there is for the analysis, is filling in that chart. Okay, then for your conclusion, we said copy and paste your hypothesis, and then explain using your observations and your analysis whether you can accept that hypothesis or whether you have to reject that hypothesis. Remember, our hypothesis was about things having unique physical properties, okay, that could be used to identify them. If you were able to do that, then you can accept your hypothesis. Okay? And then for the evaluation, 2 sources of error and ways to fix them. Okay, so anything that gave you trouble in the lab, okay, that might have made the lab easier, okay, you can list as a source of error. Time constraint is not a source of error, just so you're aware, okay, because you can watch the observations video and get all the observations you need from there. Okay, incidentally, you can, whoops, that's the wrong one. You can find that in Google Classroom as part of the assignment. Okay, so if you go into your classwork, okay, see properties of compounds lab, okay, this here is the observations video. All right, so you can just scrub through to the part you need, okay, or watch the whole thing just to confirm your observations and make sure you have the correct numbers and observations for everything. Okay, this isn't due till after we come back. If you want some help or you have some questions, please pop in at lunch to see me, okay, before it's due, okay, and I can give you a hand with that. Or if you want me to go over it, okay, and kind of give you some tips or pointers, that's fine too. Just pop in at lunch and I can. Okay, I won't do that by email. Don't email me the night before and say, Mr. Coderre, can you look over my lab? I'll ignore you. Okay, and I'm ignoring you. I'm not like pretending I didn't get it. I'm flat out ignoring. Okay, so if you want it reviewed, come and see me in person to do that. Okay, all right. I need everybody to make sure their desks are ready for me to spray off.